A very good evening to everyone present here. Welcome you all again for the front office management session. Today, I am super excited. I should say I'm so happy that one of my senior most student, he has come here as a chief guest, as our guest. This is such a pleasant and wonderful moment. And for a teacher, nothing else can make us more happy than to see you all achieve greater heights. So, Ambarish, welcome to our session. I would be very happy to introduce Ambarish to you all. Ambarish did his schooling in Indian School Darsait in Muscat, Oman, and he finished his 12th here. Of course, he had a lot of challenges, but he's the one who fights each and every challenge in his life, and he has come up to this level. And I have seen myself how he has grown fighting his challenges. Now he has joined his hospitality management course back in Chennai. He's studying there. Presently, he's working in a resort in Kerala as an internship, and he is doing an amazing work. And every time he shares his achievements, his pictures, I feel so proud. I feel really happy. So then I requested him to join our session and to have an interactive talk with you all. So here is Ambarish, and he will be in a position to tell a lot about how the work happens in the hotel industry. So I request you all, to make the session very interesting. He's just like your friend. So whatever you want, you can ask him. So over to you, Ambarish. Ambarish, but we can't see you.
Yeah, I can see you. I'm not able to see anyone.
I think maybe because of your connection. No worries, Ambarish. You can go ahead. You please do share your experience in resort. How was your work? What all you learned to our young professionals here?
Yeah, now currently I am working in housekeeping department. Actually, I'm doing this training for 4 months. Actually, because of Corona only, like we had to do it for 4 months. Otherwise, the course was like the internship was for 6 months. So 4 months, each month in every department like that.
So what
So my
was your
housekeeping
first
department
department, Ambarish?
training. Yeah, first is currently going on housekeeping.
Wonderful. Can
The
you
second
share
will
us
be
the work that
service
happens
restaurant
in
work.
housekeeping department?
Housekeeping, once the guest is going to arrive in the room, then we have to check everything. And we have to check the supplies. Everything is there, like bed making. Then we have to clean. Then we have to move. We have to do everything. And once everything is ready, we call the friend of tell.
Wonderful. And what about the shift system
Then
which
it
you were talking about?
request for design and all. Pardon me, I didn't hear that.
No, you were talking about the shift system in the hotel industry. I would like you to share with about that shift in
Yeah,
the.
yeah. Timings are from 5. And if it's night shift, then probably from 1 to 10, 1 to 10:30 or something.
That is so great. And what about the lifting weight?
Wait, here we have coding services, so like the lifting jobs are less, but it varies from 2 days. At night and
Can't hear anything,
there will
ma'am.
be only one staff in the house.
Ambarish, your
So
voice
that
is
it will be really
cut.
tough in it.
Ambarish, can you?
Ma'am, yes, the
Your
voice is
voice is
breaking,
getting
ma'am.
cut.
You cannot hear what he's telling.
I've told
Voice
you.
is breaking.
Problem.
Hello, Ambarish.
Hello.
Huh. Your voice is getting, it's breaking. I think you are in resort right now. You're working there, no?
No, currently I'm in my room.
Okay, okay. Because your voice is breaking and we are not, in fact, and your video also we are not able to see now.
Okay.
Yes. So what were you telling about the lifting of weights? Can you share again?
Yeah, here like we have trolling services only in the night we only get few stuffs. So during that we can get everything. Other than the morning we have trolling service.
Breaking, ma'am.
But still, am I audible?
Actually, no, your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Can you check your connection, Ambarish, if you don't mind? So what actually Ambarish was telling us, in the resort, he's not having that issue of carrying the heavy loads. But whereas in other hotel industries, if you are working, he in fact, yeah, I wanted him to share about his one of the experience in Chennai hotel, where in one day he was totally drained out after carrying so much of weights and so much of continuous non-stop work. He was totally drained out. So this is the reason why we are even speaking about the physical fitness for all of you. Of course, we are learning for front office management. We are learning what hotel industry is. Everything is fine, but to be successful in the workplace, we need to focus on our physical fitness also. Ambarish, hope your connection is fine now.
No, we can't hear no also.
What's not?
Actually, no, we are not able to hear you, Ambarish.
Oh,
Ma'am, Sabil is there,
maybe I
ma'am.
will try switching places.
Wait. So Ambarish, if you can log out and log in again, is it okay? Because your voice is cracking. Okay, Ambarish, I suggest you log out and log in again. Okay, by the time I think he's joined in another instrument. So now, so I'm very sure you all would have seen the bed arrangement of what Ambarish had made.
Yeah.
So where are you, Ambarish? Ambarish, can you switch on your mic? Ambarish, I've sent a request to start the video. Where are you? Ambarish, still your voice is cracking actually.
Yeah, the range is like really low.
Oh, it's raining, is it? Yes, now we can see you, but you have gone on mute. Ambarish, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Ambarish, welcome again. Yes.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Yes, you can go ahead. You can tell about your experience in that bed making sessions. What you are doing in your resort.
Yeah, but making mainly we'll do it for 3 events. Actually, for anniversary or honeymoon couples and for birthday parties.
So is it done as a teamwork or as an individual?
It's done as a teamwork actually. There will be one expert to guide us and rest all will be like trainees like that. But we can like give
Wonderful,
our own
wonderful.
ideas and like he will consider if it's suitable. Like that.
Okay, okay, wonderful. And how is your the difference between learning in college and learning in the resort?
Actually, in resort, I'm able to understand much more than college because college, like our theory classes was going on, but like when it came to starting our practical, then Corona came, like it became difficult. Then we started training, so I am able to understand more in the resort actually.
Oh, that is really
Because
good.
here
And what
everything is
about your
done practically.
practical is really good. See, that is what he's telling. Practical, he's learning more than the theory. So that is the reason why we also focus more on our working practically and our role play rather than just learning the theory, because theory learning is not of that important. It is, I do agree, but practical is more
Yeah,
important.
but once you start doing the theory, then you start learning the practical, then it will be much
Easier. Very true, Ambarish.
Yeah.
And how was your night shift? What is the night? Because you were telling me that you were busy the last week full because of your night shift. So how was it in night shift?
Yeah. Actually, trainees don't get night shifts, but like the night shift, they want to take some leave, then we can take this leave for next team instead of. Over here, actually, morning there will be lots of work, but night when it comes to night, if there are no room means it will be much easier in night shift.
Okay, okay, easier in night. Okay, okay. And Ambarish, I would like to ask you one question. You had worked one whole day in Chennai, one of the restaurant. I remember you telling me, and you told it was so difficult the whole day. So can you share that experience with us?
Because, in Chennai, actually my our professors only insisted on going for 1 day training. So it is a 5-star hotel. It's named Marriott. There actually it was I didn't had even time to sit for a few minutes. It was full work. If you finish one work, the next work will be ready for you. As fast as you finish one work, the next work will come. So, and it was really tough because in here is resort. It is 5-star hotel. So resort and hotels, like the work varies very much.
Wonderful.
Resort is much more easier actually.
Okay. So you mean to say resort is much more easier. Good.
Yeah.
And Ambarish is also learning a lot of recipes also, right? You have to even cook learn those recipes also, right?
Yeah, true.
And what is your next department after this housekeeping? Where will you be posted now?
Yeah, it will be service, F&B service.
So what is service department? Can you brief for our professionals?
It's like mainly taking orders from the guests and also serving them. And there will be also room service. If they order something from the room, then we'll have to carry it and like deliver it to them. But in service, like what's the plus point means we'll get so much of tips and
Okay. So money wise you will get. Okay, that is good. And one more thing I would like to ask you. I remember you telling that initially you had a challenge of carrying so many weights. So how did you manage that? How did you improve on that?
yeah, I changed on my food diet actually. I started eating more food. Then actually started eating more meats and all like that. So I gained weight. Now I can carry like no issues.
Now no
And
issues.
I
That
also do exercise and also play football. So like I try to stay healthy.
wonderful. And when he's talking about football, I have to share with all of you that he's an excellent football player, and in fact, he's practicing himself to represent his state level also in football. And apart from that, he has a passion towards acting also. So he's also a sort of multi-talented personality, I should say. So that was really nice, Ambarish, to hear from you. And now over to all of you. Please make it an interactive session. So you all can ask whatever you want to Ambarish.
How much money you paid, Ambarish?
Actually, for the course, right?
No, for the internship. Rahul is asking how much money you are getting for the internship. Well, good question, Rahul.
Actually, because of Corona, we are getting much lesser cash. Actually, for me now, it's each month stipend 3,000. Actually, it will be like more than 14,000 something will get.
But if you get a proper job, okay, now you're talking about internship, it's good. But if you get a regular job, what will be the salary?
Salary, it varies from like restaurant and hotels, but it will be in foreign countries we will get much more money than in India like that.
Approximately how much in India?
Approximately, I'm not sure, but I think once you become executive chef and like that something, then it will be around Chinese chefs gets like 30,000 or something like that. I'm not sure.
Okay. Just an idea, that's all. That was a good question, Rahul. Thank you so much for asking.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, who is next? Yes, Avani.
Hello, Ambarish.
Hello.
I like to tell you how do you stay in the entail like physical exercise or those things?
Okay, Ambarish.
Yeah, usually actually,
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
yeah, I understood. Like physically, how you stay fit. So main thing is eat as much as you can, but eat healthy. Is it?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
also like we have to also like work out time to time, like mainly
Yes.
on weightlifting, and also for this job you
Yeah.
have to like there will be no time to sit in certain department. Like in
Okay.
front of is also once you reach can like manager or something, then only you'll have time to sit for like some of times.
Okay.
Other than that, it will be full-time work. So physically staying fit is really important in this field.
Yes. Right. Thank you so
When I
much.
started working, like I was not that physically fit, then I had to change my diets and everything. Then only I was able to lift the weights and all.
Yes. Yes.
Even after that, following that diet, when I went for 1 day training, I was fully exhausted after that. I was fully tired. But now
Yeah.
I can do better. Like now
By practice and by
Yeah.
constant exercise. So what he mainly says is a good healthy food plus proper physical exercise will keep you fit and energetic the whole day, so which we need to follow. Maybe I'll do one thing, we can in fact, 1 second, Sai, 1 second, I'll call you. Just hold on. Yeah, I'll call you, Sai. So maybe we'll do one thing. One day I'll invite one of the best dietitian also to our platform, who will be able to tell us what type of food will keep us healthy throughout the day, because we need it. Like how Ambarish is telling, for Ambarish, and even for that's what I have to tell for teachers like us also, standing for so long hours, we need to be physically fit always. So let me try that. Sai, just hold on. I have Imad followed by Chaitanya and then Sai. Okay. Yes, Imad, you can unmute. After Imad, Chaitanya.
Maya to raise hand, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I will call you. Bala, I will call you. Imad, are you there? Okay, Imad is not there. Chaitanya, you can go ahead asking.
Good evening, Ambarish. I'm
good
Chaitanya
evening.
Shivkumar. Do you work in only one department, or do they shift you in other departments also?
Yeah, actually, this training is for 4 months. Like first month, I am going to work in housekeeping. The next month, I will go to service, F&B service. Then after that, it will be kitchen production. Then front office. Like that, 4 months. It's our choice actually. We can tell if we want to only focus in one department. We can tell to them like I want to focus. For example, I want to focus in front office and housekeeping. So I can do it for like 2 months housekeeping and 2 months front office like that. But better is like to do in every department.
So what mainly Ambarish is
Okay.
Like we
telling
will
is
have the whole idea,
very true. Very true, Ambarish.
how the hotel works and all. So,
Correct, correct. So initially we should know all the departments, and then maybe we can start focusing on what we really like. Because here also in this group, I see some people are very good in reception job and some people are very good in housekeeping or table arrangements. So each of you have your own potential. So maybe we can work on that separately, but initially, as Ambarish is telling, it's better we learn all the work once, one round, and then we can specialize. Thank you, Ambarish. Over to you, Sai. And after Sai, Balambiga.
What is your favorite book?
Sai, can you repeat?
What is your favorite book?
Okay, what is your favorite work, Ambarish? Over to you. Okay,
At
what is your
department.
favorite work, Ambarish? What is your 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 favorite work, Ambarish? 1 second. Okay, it's echoing. 1 second. Okay. Done. Ambarish, you can tell now. What is your favorite work? Imad, we missed
My
you.
favorite
I'll be calling you
department.
later.
My favorite
ma'am.
department currently is front office, and I have a soft corner for housekeeping also because of the decoration and everything. But I think for me suitable will be front office only.
So front office, mainly you will have to interact a lot with the audience, the guests, right?
Yeah, that's one of the reasons I had chosen it because I like interacting with new people and like meeting new people.
What will you do if you're in case even 5-star hotels also have done some mistakes and the guests sometimes they get angry, they start shouting. So have you ever faced any such incidents in your experience?
Unmute.
No, I haven't faced such experience, but I have asked to others like what to do in a condition like that. Those who work in this resort and all, so they all told me the best way is to smile and like to tell like you can register the complaint in email or you can write it as a letter and like give it to us like that. We'll have to hear it through this year and let it go through that year. That's it.
That is so sweet of you, Ambarish. So the main thing what he was telling is to smile and face the situation. So I think if you all remember last class when we were discussing about the personality of a front office, the smile was the first point which we all discussed. So smile is something which is very important. And here I have to mention that Ambarish got Mr. Smile Award in our school farewell party. So I hope you remember that, Ambarish.
Yeah, I do remember.
So wonderful. Thank you, Sai. That was a lovely question from your side. And Imad, you can go ahead. And after Imad, Balambika. Imad, you have to unmute, Imad. You are on mute. Imad and Ambarish were schoolmates. Like Ambarish was a senior. They were together for some time.
Hello, Manish.
Hello.
How was your hotel management training going on, and how was its experience for working there?
Yeah, the hotel in the college, it's like really everyone is friendly. I have made lots of new friends, and even the resort like experience is a really good experience. More than what I am able
For how
to
many
study
hours
from
you
college,
used to
I am
work
able
there?
to
How many
like
hours you used to work?
grab from resort.
For how many hours you used
And
to?
here also I have made so many new friends in resort also.
Good. Ambarish, Imad is asking for how many hours you have to work in resort. Another very good question, Imad.
How many hours? Because resort is open like for 24 hours. Maybe some staffs will be there in the night. Some staffs will be in the day. They'll
Yeah, that's
sleep.
true. Like
But
they have
for
to
one
stay
shift, how
till
many
the
hours?
restaurant is closed.
I was estimating 10 hours.
10 hours. Yeah, Ambarish, 10 hours. Too much, no? We'll have to
Housekeeping.
really build on our stamina. How many hours you work in the resort?
So housekeeping currently 8 to 5. So like when I count the hours,
Yeah, almost 9. Ahan, you are right. Almost 10 hours you are working.
I'm estimating.
Yeah, quite a
for
long hours.
housekeeping. But
People
what I
normally
have
sleep for 8
heard
hours.
is like in kitchen and all, like they give break shift from 6:30 morning we have to go, and from 1 to 6 is break. Then from 6 to 12 till the restaurant closing, we'll have to be there in the kitchen.
Okay. So again,
Same
almost it
goes
comes
for
to 10
the
hours.
F&B service. Yeah.
Yeah, almost it comes the same hours.
How many fees you gave for
Wonderful.
that?
What, Imad?
Ma'am, how many fees they gave? for that.
That's what he said. Though you missed the connection. 3,000 at present is getting, but when you are permanent, you may get even 30,000 rupees also. Okay.
Depends on how luxury is the hotel. Then depends then how much is the salary.
Yeah, here they provides us accommodation and food. So some our money will reduce according to that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Balambika, you wanted to tell something. You can unmute and ask. Need to finish in 5 minutes, sir. Because
Harish, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear.
Balambika, are you there?
Hi. Yeah, I'm there, ma'am.
I am not able to see, but
I know. She left the meeting. Okay, before she joins, Balambika, I would like to invite one of my other student, Sabil, who is a multimedia expert, and I have one more student, Srishnav. Srishnav is here. I hope I saw Srishnav. I hope he's still there. And Mohammad Sabil again has been a very good friend of Ambarish and a very pet student of mine. We both have fought a lot, learned a lot together, and he has been so great always.
Yeah.
And a real achiever, I should say. And I'm so proud of Sabil. So Sabil, I invite you to talk few words about you and Ambarish, how you have reached up to this level.
And I also know Sabil, ma'am.
Yes, of course, Imad. I cannot miss that. You all were together once. Yes.
Thank you so much for the introduction, ma'am. And so nice to see each and every person in this meeting. And I'm so happy for Ambarish that he's being like going in the success and yeah, so on. And I just want to know that how you are dealing with the customers. I mean, the people who comes, how you serve and those things. I just want to know about that and how you're facing the physically and mentally, how you're managing and balancing the things around there.
Yes, Ambarish. So how do you receive the guest? His questions are how do you basically receive the guest and how you balance your emotions also, which is again very important. All of us need to balance our emotions. So over to you, Ambarish.
Yeah, we receive the guests like with a smile always. Then yeah, we explain the rates and the rooms types. There are like 3 types of rooms like that. And yeah, it was like really tough for me when I started my journey in this field. I thought I was not like eligible, like body wise also I was not fit. But then I prepared myself in such a way that I could do. I could
So
continue
nice,
in this field.
yeah, so nice. And even I know that you never give up. And through even I saw in the school also that you never give up in the football wherever it is, and keep going with that.
Yeah, that.
And with that attitude, and face it. That's all I want to say. And I'm so happy to see you out here. And yeah, that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sabil. Thank you so much. And I'm really glad that both of you have battled your challenges to that level, and you people are really achieving. And we are so proud of both of you. And of course, Imad, I have to tell that also. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
So it's really nice.
Hi, Sabil.
Hi, Imad. How are you?
How are you? How's your
good.
experience going on by learning this hotel?
Yeah, I'm getting great experience through like talking to each and every person. Yeah. Good.
Imad,
Thank you so much.
Sabil is not doing hotel management. He has finished his multimedia now. So he's done his computer. He had always loved computer and he has done that. So he just finished it.
Okay.
Okay.
Good luck for Imad. Imad, do well.
Any other
Can you on your
questions?
video?
Sabil? Okay. Sabil, Rahul wants you to switch on your video. They want to see you.
Oh, wait a minute.
Thank you, Rahul. I wanted to ask that, and you asked for my sake. Thank you so much.
With that's important.
Bala, you are back. Yes. Yes, Sabil has come. So Rahul is very happy to meet Sabil.
Hi.
Rahul is the
Sabil.
name of
I
Sharma.
staying very much.
Yes, Balambika, you can ask your question to Ambarish now. Bala, you are on mute.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm on only, ma'am. How many hours you are? How many times you are going to travel in a bus into hotel?
Okay. You are asking about the travel.
Yeah.
Is it too far off?
Actually, I'm staying near only. Staying near. Actually, it's resorts is providing the accommodation. So it's very.
How many hours you are
It's only
traveling in a
walkable
hotel?
distance.
Bala, he
You
is telling
walk
that it is very near.
okay.
Yeah, it's very near.
You are so nice. You are a football player. So nice to see you, Amrish.
Even Sabil is also a
Thanks.
football player.
Football.
Yeah.
Arjav,
Both of them are very nice to hear that.
thank you, Bala. Arjav, I didn't hear anything from you. Arjav and Andrea, where are you? I just saw you. Yeah, Andrea is there. Any question you would like to ask?
Yes. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Andrea. That's so sweet of you. Any question? कुछ question है आपके साथ? I saw your hands rise.
Any question you want to ask? Hi, Amrish. Amrish is there.
Hi.
He is there.
Yes, Kush.
People are all asking.
Amrish, did you cook in hotel?
Booking. He's asking about booking, Ambarish. Can you explain the booking?
Amrish, he's asking about cooking.
Cooking. Okay.
Cooking, yeah.
Okay.
About kitchen, actually.
Yes,
that
about
had not
kitchen, your
started for me
experience.
even.
But you have read, no?
Yeah,
In
kitchen.
college, you have read, right?
Yeah. I heard it.
Okay.
With that experience at starting, I was not able to even like make a tea, but now like I can make proper chicken curries and that too. Like with practice, you can do it. It's really once you start like from the basics, then it should be easy. The best way to do that is to help our mothers in the kitchen. By that, we'll understand like so many things in kitchen. Like in my childhood also, I used to help my mother.
That is so nice,
From that, I
Ambarish.
had picked up so many like onions,
Wait.
how to do this and
I love you. Thank you, Mahesh.
Wait.
I have a question.
I'd like to.
I have 1 minute.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, Amrish.
Thank you, Kush. Thank you so much.
welcome.
Andrea, do you want to ask?
ask.
Namrita wants to ask. After Namrita,
Amrish.
Rohit. Yes, Namrita.
Wait. 1 second.
What you cook in the hotel?
What's the problem?
Ambarish, what have you cooked in the hotel?
The hotel currently I have not cooked anything because my kitchen like it's in the 3rd month.
Okay. He said to come to that department, Namrita. He's
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Rohit, you wanted to ask something?
Wait. After Rohit. Let Rohit start.
After
and then
Rohit,
we'll-
Andrea. Okay, done.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, Rohit.
Yeah, hi.
What is your resort name?
Good question. I never asked you till now. Thank you, Rohit.
What was the question?
What is the name of your resort? Even I have not asked you till now.
Sandari Pearl. It's actually
That
Muthoot,
resort.
a famous company is there, Muthoot Finance. The owner of that has started this resort.
Oh, Muthoot
Okay.
Finance. Okay, okay. I've heard about that. Okay, okay. Good.
Yes,
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Rohit.
Amrish. You're welcome.
Yes, Andrea, your question.
Mm,
Ask Mr. Amrish, what's his happiest experience?
wait. Coming.
Ask. Go ahead. Ask. Speak.
Say, Andrea, that is a good question. Ask.
No.
What's somebody's happiest experience? Ask him.
What's your
Happiest experience.
What's your happiest experience?
What is Ambrish happiest experience?
Yes, Ambarish, over to you. That's a
This
beautiful question.
field you want to know, or in my like whole life, like that something.
What,
In this
Ambarish?
field, about this field, in this field, what is my happiest?
Yes, exactly. In this field, what is your best experience, happiest experience? That's what Andrea is asking.
I have one more.
Happiest experience was when like I had a thought like I couldn't do this field, I couldn't continue in this field. Then when I came to this resort, at the starting I had so many difficulties. Then once I started like working, then I knew like somehow I could manage in this job. I could also fit into it. So when I came to know that, that was my happiest experience.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank
Wonderful.
you.
Yes. So with this, I think we are already nearing the time. Our heroes, Kush, Namrita, and Anandita have a performance right now. So we need to end this session. So before I end this,
I have one more question.
okay, but please.
Wait, guys. Ma'am,
That
instruction. I'm not getting what she's saying.
No, I haven't told anything because you wanted to ask some question. Okay, Imad. With this, we'll wind up.
I was asking the Amma that how many departments you have in this hotel?
How many
There are
departments are
mainly
there?
5 departments actually.
Only food and
housekeeping is there.
beverage you have? Do you have food and beverage there?
Yeah, it's there.
Food and beverage
Yes,
is there. Okay, thank you, Imad. So I have to really thank you, Ambarish, for joining us and sharing your thoughts, your experience with these wonderful professionals here, because they are really working so hard every day, every class to achieve their best, just like you. So I am really hoping to see all of you achieve greater heights. So thank you, Ambarish. Thanks for joining us. And thank you, Sabil, for joining. I saw Srishna, but he's not here. Thank you guys for being here with us. Thanks to all of you for making this session very, very interactive. So we learned a lot and for asking such wonderful, wonderful questions. So with this, we come to an end of the session. I wish Anandita, Namrata, and Kush all the very best for today's performance. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Bye,
So let's meet on Wednesday with our bedtime session.
But what do we have to do? Do you have to prepare everything before Wednesday? Just that's what I need an instruction.
Just practice, Ahan. Practice as much as you can. Don't compare. We don't expect the best. How much ever you can, you practice.
But
And
what
just
practice? I want to understand what else do. What all we have to do before the Wednesday?
I have sent the video.
Okay, only that.
The others can leave if you want. Those who are in the performance.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. So I'll also 1 second, Ahan. I'll stop recording.